Well, good day to you, gentlemen. This is John. Never felt so good to get back to work after what I've been through. Anyway, this is a good time to go through a procedure that might not be so easy to show later. This is a machine that's been conditioned and flushed, and as a result of it, there is some debris of small amounts, some black residue that are inside the tube. That can be mixed in with the solution by sloshing it around and it'll disappear. It's nice to be able to know how to get it out of the system. And for doing that, I take a piece of coat hanger and bend it. And on the end, I put a paper towel swatch on it and wrap it with Scotch tape here, and then reinforce it because I don't want this falling in. The tip of this paper extends past the rod, so it kind of acts like a paintbrush, so to speak. With a 9/16 wrench, I remove the plug on the top of the generator where I now have a hole, and I can go in here and wipe this stuff off. It's a little bit dried from being here overnight. I should have actually ran the machine a little bit, but I'm getting most of it out here, and sometimes you got to do it a couple times if you want to be a perfectionist. But the main thing to remember is that all of this pressed together wouldn't equal the size of a grain of rice. Okay, so she's clean now, and one last little piece there. Okay, you can see that there was some, let me find the camera, some goop on it, and now you have a clear chamber, and we put the fluid in, it'll look even cleaner and stay cleaner. The electrolyte that I use cleans the plate so good that for the first few hours it might foam up a little bit, but as it runs it becomes better. Well, I'll stop it here. I'm going to go to a second video with Fred's machine here for him, but I wanted to show you both there. The cleaning process, and just put in the plug when you're through and stick on the hose. When you pull the hose out of the top, I like to stick it with some paper around it so it doesn't have any electrolyte that might stain, and then just stick it somewhere where it won't pop out while you do your maneuvering. Alright, this camera's fading out, it says low battery, so I'll say hello and talk with you soon.